Noah's dreamy adventure. Beneath the soft embrace of the fading sunlight, Noah wandered into a tranquil clearing where the tall trees gave way to a gentle meadow. The warm golden light bathed everything in a soft glow, and the air was filled with the faint hum of insects and the soothing rhythm of a woodpecker far off in the trees. But beneath all those sounds, there was a quiet, comforting stillness, like the forest itself was humming a lullaby. Noah slipped off her shoes and wiggled her toes in the cool, dewy grass. It tickled her feet, making her giggle softly. She tiptoed through patches of wild flowers, her little movements as gentle as a butterfly's dance. With a carefree spirit, she stretched out her arms and ran across the meadow, the soft fabric of her yellow cape fluttering behind her. Tired but content, she lay down on the soft grass and gazed at the sky. Wispy clouds drifted lazily overhead, and Noah wondered if they might feel as fluffy as they looked. As she stared, a small black bird caught her eye, gliding gracefully through the air. Noah smiled and imagined herself flying, the wind in her hair and the world stretching endlessly below her. Her daydreams were interrupted by the sight of something extraordinary. A towering tree that hadn't been there before. It stood tall and strong in the center of the clearing, its roots twisting deep into the earth like ancient guardians. Intrigued, Noah approached the tree, its wide, gnarled branches reaching toward the heavens. She pressed her hand to the bark, rough yet warm, and whispered her name to the tree. To her delight, the emerald leaves rustled gently, as if the tree was greeting her in return. As she circled the base of the tree, Noah noticed something glimmering in the grass. A feather, soft and shimmering with a blue hue that seemed to glow. Holding it close, she felt a spark of wonder and excitement. Where had it come from? Did it belong to a bird that lived in the tree? Curiosity bubbled within her, and she looked up to see a large nest nestled high among the branches. Determined to uncover the mystery, Noah began to climb. The tree seemed to guide her, its branches forming a natural staircase. Higher and higher she went, until the meadow below looked like a tiny patchwork quilt. When she reached the nest, she found something magical. A large purple egg resting on a soft bed of feathers. She touched its smooth shell and heard a faint tapping from within. Slowly, the egg began to crack, and a tiny bird emerged, fluffy and white, with bright eyes that sparkled like stars. Noah named the little bird Blue, after the feather that had led her here. Blue chirped happily as Noah gently cuddled it. She made the nest cozy, tucking in fresh leaves and telling Blue her favorite bedtime stories. The little bird listened quietly, and before long, its tiny eyes closed in peaceful sleep. Night after night, Noah returned to care for Blue, watching it grow stronger and more vibrant. Its feathers turned a brilliant shade of blue, glistening in the sunlight. Soon, Blue was ready to fly, its wings gliding effortlessly through the air. But Blue didn't want to fly alone. It wanted Noah to join. With a gentle lift, Dot, Blue placed Noah on its back. She held on tightly as the great bird stretched its wings and soared into the sky. Together, they glided above forests, rivers, and rolling hills. Noah marveled at how small her village looked from above, and how vast the world truly was. They flew over golden sunflower fields that danced in the wind, dipped low to touch the shimmering waves of the ocean, and even glimpsed the hidden wonders beneath the sea. As the day faded into night, the two friends arrived at a magical sandcastle under a moonlit sky. Inside, they found a cozy room where Noah tucked Blue in with a warm blanket. As the bird drifted into sleep, Noah lay beside it, her heart full of gratitude and wonder. She closed her eyes, her body relaxing into the soft bed. The memories of their adventure filled her dreams, and she knew, deep down, that her dream of flying wasn't just a dream. It was her reality now. Under the blanket of stars, Noah and Blue rested, ready for whatever magical journeys awaited them next.